You're running late, you hop into your car, turn the key with anticipation, and nothing. The engine cranks, but your car refuses to start. The frustration sets in as you ponder the potential causes of this automotive enigma. Fear not, fellow road warrior, as we embark on a journey to demystify the perplexing realm of trouble, shooting a car that cranks but won't start. Understanding the basics. Before diving into the intricacies of the troubleshooting process, let's establish a fundamental understanding. Cranking refers to the sound your engine makes when you turn the key in the ignition, activating the starter motor. When your car cranks but fails to start, it suggests an issue beyond the initial electrical circuit. Common culprits: fuel system woes. One of the primary suspects is the fuel system. Check the fuel pump, fuel filter, and injectors for any malfunctions. A clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump can hinder the proper delivery of fuel to the engine. Ignition issues. A faulty ignition system can also be to blame. Check the spark plugs, ignition coils, and the spark plug wires. A lack of spark in the combustion chamber can prevent your engine from starting. Airflow blockages. Ensure that the air intake system is free from obstructions. A clogged air filter or a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, hindering combustion. Battery blues. While the engine cranking indicates a functional starter, a weak or dead battery may struggle to provide sufficient power for ignition. Inspect the battery voltage and connections to rule out this common culprit. Faulty sensors. Modern vehicles rely on various sensors to optimize performance. A malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor can disrupt the engine's timing, leading to a no-start scenario. Solutions. Fuel system solution. Check fuel pressure using a gauge. If it's low, the fuel pump might be faulty and require replacement. Inspect the fuel filter for clogs and ensure injectors are functioning correctly. Ignition system solution. Examine spark plugs for wear and proper gap. Replace them if needed. Verify the condition of ignition coils and spark plug wires. A multimeter can help diagnose any electrical issues. Airflow solution. Inspect the air filter and replace if dirty. Clean or replace the mass airflow sensor. Ensure there are no blockages in the air intake system. Battery solution. Test the battery voltage with a multimeter. Charge or replace the battery if necessary. Check for corroded or loose battery terminals. Sensor solution. Use diagnostic tools to check for trouble codes. If the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor is faulty, replacement may be necessary. Embark on this troubleshooting journey armed with knowledge and bid farewell to the frustration of a car that cranks but won't start. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights. Share this valuable information with your fellow drivers, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Safe travels on the road.